Door replacement Eagle Idaho services are essential for both residential and commercial properties. Our expert team specializes in entry door replacement Eagle Idaho, ensuring your home or business is secure and aesthetically pleasing. We offer a wide range of options, including patio doors, Eagle and storm doors Eagle, to suit your specific needs. For those in need of door replacement Eagle Idaho, our skilled technicians provide comprehensive solutions. Whether it's door frame replacement Eagle Idaho or door hinge replacement Eagle Idaho, we have the expertise to restore your doors to perfect condition. Our door glass replacement Eagle Idaho services ensure that your doors are not only functional but also visually appealing. Door replacement Eagle Idaho is a crucial service for maintaining the safety and appearance of your property. We offer residential door replacement Eagle Idaho and commercial door replacement Eagle Idaho, catering to all types of buildings. Our door panel replacement Eagle Idaho and door jamb replacement Eagle Idaho services guarantee a seamless fit and finish. Enhance your door security Eagle Idaho with our top-notch door hardware. Eagle Idaho and door lock installation Eagle Idaho services. We provide doorknob replacement Eagle Idaho and door handle replacement Eagle Idaho to ensure your doors are both secure and stylish. Our door latch installation Eagle Idaho and door closer replacement Eagle Idaho services add an extra layer of protection. Weatherproof your doors with our door weather stripping Eagle Idaho and door seal replacement Eagle Idaho services. Our door threshold installation Eagle Idaho and door sweep installation Eagle Idaho solutions keep your home insulated and energy efficient. Trust our door stop installation Eagle Idaho and door viewer replacement Eagle Idaho services for added convenience and security. For a complete door transformation, consider our door hardware installation Eagle Idaho services. We offer door peephole installation Eagle Idaho and door viewer Eagle Idaho options for enhanced visibility and safety. Our door security services Eagle Idaho ensure peace of mind for you and your family. Choose our patio door replacement Eagle Idaho services for a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. Our storm door replacement Eagle Idaho solutions protect your home from harsh weather conditions. With our door frame Eagle Idaho and door hinges Eagle Idaho expertise, your doors will function flawlessly. Our door threshold Eagle Idaho and door jamb Eagle Idaho services provide a solid foundation for your doors. We specialize in door panels Eagle and door glass Eagle installations, ensuring your doors are both durable and attractive. Trust our doorknob Eagle and door handle Eagle solutions for a perfect finishing touch. In Eagle Idaho, door installation and replacement services are vital for maintaining the integrity of your property. Our door latch Eagle and door closer Eagle services ensure smooth operation and security. With our doorstop Eagle and door viewer Eagle options, you can customize your doors to meet your specific needs.